Starlight fractures on his fur, a prison born of night. Nebulae reflecting eyes that glow with ancient light. He drifts beyond the starfields where the dying suns ignite. A silhouette of cosmic myth dissolving out of sight. Gravity forgets him, time bends beneath his paws. He wanders through the astral sea, rewriting cosmic laws. Silence hums a warning in the vacuum's frozen jaws. The void is wide and watching, waiting for the pause. He feels the pull of something deep, a whisper from the endless sweep, a call from where the shadows sleep, a promise he may never keep. Drifting through the cosmic dust, where galaxies hum and the starlight rust. Endless night, endless trust. Cosmic essence through the void, because he must. Floating through the astral sea, where echoes of creation whisper endlessly. He's the rhythm, he's the key, unlocking every hidden frequency. Someone's caress his tail, a comet's ghostly trail. Fragments of forgotten worlds cling softly to his veil. He hears the pulse of planets, feels the orbit's mournful wail. A wanderer of broken stars, too mythic to derail. He passes through the ruins of a long collapsed domain. A kingdom built of stars, now scattered like the rain. The cosmic dark grows colder, whispering his name. A warning in the emptiness, you may not return again. The void expands a hungry tide, a place where fallen echoes hide. He drifts where light and dark collide. No map, no path, no guide. He's drifting through the cosmic dust, where galaxies hum and the starlines rust. Endless night, endless trust. Cosmic essence through the void, because he must. Floating through the astral sea, where echoes of creation whisper endlessly. He's the rhythm, he's the key, unlocking every hidden frequency. A shattered moon spins slowly, cracked open like a shell. Its core still glowing faintly with the story it can't tell. He steps across its surface, hears the cosmic warning swell. A lullaby of dying stars, a quiet kind of hell. The darkness shifts around him, alive with distant cries. The remnants of forgotten God flicker in the skies. He feels the weight of aeons pressing on his eyes. A truth the void keeps hidden, not every traveler survives. He's drifting through the cosmic dust, where galaxies hum and the starlight rust. Endless night, endless trust. Cosmic essence through the void, because he must. Floating through the astral sea, where echoes of creation whisper endlessly. He's on the atlas, but he's my key, unlocking every. Soft glimmers ripple on his fur, a tapestry of eons blurred. He sails through corridors untold, where voiceless echoes writhe and fold. No compass here, no guiding star, just distant light for company. He moves in calm, ethereal grace, becoming part of symphony. Quiet hum of distant spheres calls him through the ancient years. A gentle pull that disappears into the dark that never fears. He drifts into the silent beyond, where stardust weaves an ancient song. Limitless night, tranquil and strong, the void's embrace is where he belongs. He passes tombs of meteor hearts, fallen kings of broken parts. Their names like comets in his wake, they fade into the endless endless dark. Years of sorrow in their cry, a relic in of sacrifice, and knows that to uphold their light he must pay his own devised price. The echoes rise, a cosmic plea, a vow carved in eternity. He carries what they used to be across the drifting galaxy. He drifts into the silent beyond, where stardust weaves an ancient song. Limitless night, tranquil and strong, the void's embrace is where he belongs. The emptiness extends its arms, a soft lament without alarms. He offers up his wandering soul to fill each fractured, aching calm. Each feathered note of ancient purr becomes the balm for hungry space. He trades his warmth for timeless peace, a guardian of empty place. Through shadow tides and star-burned haze, he wanders lost in cosmic maze. Yet still his pulse in gentle phase becomes the light the void obeys. He drifts into the silent beyond, where stardust weaves an ancient song. Limitless night, tranquil and strong, the void's embrace is where he belongs. He sheds the last of starlit dreams, dissolves in quiet astral streams. No trace remains but gentle pulse, the hush that weaves through cosmic seams. Acceptance hums in every vein, a calm that quells the final fear. He's neither lost nor fully gone, he's part of all that drifts out here. A final glow, a fading spark, a whisper through the endless dark. His essence leaves a silver mark.
From the hush of endless dark, a pulse begins to rise, a rhythm born of starlight, carried through the skies. Cosmic cat reborn in glow, now drifts in orbit wide, a beacon made of harmony, a guide for every tide. It's for now. From the hush of endless dark, a pulse begins to rise, a rhythm born of starlight, carried through the skies. Cosmic cat reborn in glow, now drifts in orbit wide, a beacon made of harmony, a guide for every tide. His burnout woven frequencies, his eyes manipulate. He circles worlds in silent arcs, a comet's lullaby. No longer bound to mortal form, he's waveform, light and spark, a cosmic DJ wandering the edges of the dark. A whisper through the astral streams, a tremor in the planet's dreams, a pulse that breaks the silence, seems the universe begins to bleed. He brings the sound of galaxies, a symphony of starbound keys, across the void, across the seas. He gives the world new melodies. Cosmic cat in drifting orbit, carrying the beat that none forget. A cosmic sound we can't ignore, yet the universe becomes a set. Planets stir from ancient sleep, their oceans start to glow. Mountains hum in resonance, the winds begin to flow. Cities lift their heads in awe as frequencies descend. A cosmic rhythm touching hearts no silence could defend. Children point to glowing skies, elders feel the shift. The pulse of distant galaxies becomes a sacred gift. He drifts above the quiet arcs, a guardian of tone, a mythic cat of cosmic sound, returning worlds to home. The planets feel his gentle call, a rising beat that moves through all, a cosmic wave that will not fall, rhythm deep, primeval tall. He brings the sound of galaxies, a symphony of starbound keys, across the void, across the seas. He gives the world new melodies. Cosmic cannon drifting orbit, carrying a beat that none forget. A cosmic sound we can't ignore yet. The universe becomes his set. He rises, he falls, he echoes through celestial halls. He pulses, he glows, a rhythm only starlight knows. He drifts, he bends, a beat that never truly ends.